Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Brandwatch topic reports for SEO research detailed guide step by step. Open your web browser and navigate to the Brandwatch website. Log into your Brandwatch account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate the dashboard where the topic reports are generated. On the dashboard, find the search query bar to enter keywords related to your SEO research. Enter your topic of interest and click on the search icon to initiate the report generation. Wait for the data to load, which may take a few moments depending on the breadth of the topic. Once the report is generated, review the various metrics and insights displayed on the screen. Scroll down to explore the different sections of the report, including trends and sentiment analysis. When you find the insights you want to download, look for the download option in the report interface. Click on the download button, usually represented by a downward arrow icon. You may be prompted to select a format for the report, such as PDF or CSV. Choose your preferred format that best suits your research needs. After selecting the format, confirm your choice to start the download process. Wait for the file to download. This may take a few seconds. Once the download is complete, navigate to your computer's downloads folder. Locate the downloaded file and open it to review the detailed insights. Utilize this data to enhance your SEO research and strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.